These are the M Frame Strike New glasses, and I will show you how to remove and reinstall the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is take off the nose piece, and you're going to do this by bending slightly on this side and repeating on the other. It should come off fairly easily. Next, what you're going to do to remove the actual lens itself is take one hand on the top part of the frame, just the middle section, and the other on the top part of the middle part of the lens. And you're going to pull opposite directions, like so. And to reinstall or reinsert the lens, you're going to insert this part into the corresponding part of the frame. And then repeat on the other side. You might have to bend it a little bit, but it's nothing, it won't break it, don't worry. And then you're going to slide this part of the frame, the rim, into the grooves located on the upper section. You might hear a clip, if so, that's okay. Now you're just going to put the nose piece back on, so you slide it into the grooves, and then push and push. And that's it.